When you're in business, setting up fast and efficient communications is an essential and an often time-consuming task. When you add a remote location into the mix, which is largely the case for the mining industry, then communication becomes even more critical and yet often more difficult to manage from a logistics and cost point of view. Orion Satellite Systems provides broadband network services to all areas of Australia and offshore. And whilst these satellite-based services are perfect really for any business, they're proving particularly useful in remote areas where communication systems need to be reliable, robust and easily deployable. The Orion service uses technology developed by Hughes Network. It's the best equipment in the world, and yet it's surprisingly affordable and simple to use.
The system comprises of three main parts. The antenna system, which is a satellite dish and a radio, is installed outside. We have the DW7000 satellite router, and it's much like your ADSL modem at home, connects your system to the Orion network. And last of all, the DW6040 voice appliance, which basically allows you to connect ordinary telephone and fax equipment and make flat rate local calls across our network. Well, Claire, the Orion system extends your office to the remote site with a high-speed data connection to access the web and your corporate network via the internet, and standard telephony to allow you to make business-quality fax and voice telephone calls, all at flat local call rates.
Well, after that demonstration, it's obvious that no matter where you're located, you don't need to invest in costly infrastructure to have high-speed voice and data capability. Perhaps the biggest asset when you're operating a business in a remote location is the speed with which an Orion system can be installed. Plus, the capital cost of the equipment isn't high, so approvals can normally be processed very quickly. Other uses for the system include network redundancy, FPOS, equipment control and monitoring, and multicast delivery of information and content. For the latest on Orion Satellite Systems, visit their website.